safe passing guidelines and when it's illegal to pass other vehicles. You will always experience a temporary increase in risk when passing another car on a stretch of road. However, passing will occasionally be required to reduce additional risks, for example, when a car in front of you is moving too slowly. Driving cautiously. Always drive as near to the posted speed limit as you can when conditions are ideal. Conflict or congestion are less likely to happen when all of the vehicles on the road are moving at the same speed. On occasion, you may come across a driver on the road in front of you who is moving too slowly for you to follow safely and adhere to the posted speed limit. This can be the result of a mechanical issue with their car or just because they are being extra careful. If it is safe to do so, try to pass the slower car in these circumstances. Reduce your speed when passing cannot be done safely. Please under no circumstances tailgate. You must carefully assess the scenario before performing the maneuver because passing is always risky. Passing requires merging into an incoming lane on a two-lane road with one lane for traffic traveling in each direction. If you are confident there is enough room between cars for you to safely overtake and then merge back into the right lane, you should only pass by swerving into the opposite lane of traffic. When is it okay to move on? When determining whether it is safe to pass, drivers must take into account the amount of time they have to accomplish the maneuver given the traffic, the road, and the weather. If passing another vehicle would place you in more risk than keeping up with it, never try to do so. Generally speaking, drivers shouldn't consider passing unless they are moving at least 10 miles per hour faster than the vehicle they want to pass. Even then, it's crucial to wait for a secure opportunity. Keep in mind that the majority of times, you must pass on the left side of the car in front. Only very seldom is it acceptable to transfer the right. Ask yourself these questions before indicating that you want to pass the car in front of you. 1. Is it permissible to pass on this section of the highway? Keep an eye out for pavement markings or traffic signs that prohibit passing. 2. Can you see enough far ahead? There must be nothing blocking your vision of the road, such as trees, structures, curves, or other obstructions. 3. Are there any other cars trying to pass you? If any nearby car on the road might obstruct your maneuver, stop moving. 4. Do you have enough room to safely perform the pass? Ideally, you should wait until there is a space that is at least twice the size of the area you need to pass between your automobile and any approaching vehicle. You should be able to return to the right lane before any approaching traffic is 200 feet away from your car. Declare that you are going to leave. Before starting the motion, it's crucial to signal your want to pass. You must confirm that all nearby vehicles are aware of your intentions. In most situations, turning on your left turn signal and veering toward the left side of your lane should be enough to signal your intentions. Although, if you think the vehicle in front is not ready for you to pass, it may occasionally be essential to flash your headlights or honk your horn to alert them. When it is okay to pass. Obviously, there are many factors to take into account when determining whether crossing is permissible and secure in any circumstance. When passing is forbidden, traffic control equipment like pavement markings and road signage frequently make this very evident. You must rely completely on your judgment and understanding of traffic laws in such circumstances. For instance, did you know that passing is prohibited at junctions and railroad crossings? Following this opening, when passing is permitted examines fundamental passing guidelines, laws, and other facts. Passing risks. Even while passing is typically allowed on the road, if doing so puts you in a risky scenario, you risk receiving a ticket for unsafe driving. Prior to passing, always look for any risks, and keep an eye on the area as you execute the maneuver. In an ideal situation, the motorist you are passing will try to make room for you to pass, but you must be ready for unforeseen difficulties. For illustration, it's possible for an approaching left-lane car to accelerate or move forward more quickly than anticipated. The vehicle you are passing might accelerate. Unexpected traffic conditions make it difficult for you to pass. Reduce your speed and indicate that you intend to merge back into the right lane behind the car if any of the aforementioned scenarios occur before you have passed. Passing with blind spots. Always look over your shoulder to check your vehicle's blind spots in addition to checking your mirrors before indicating your desired pass. If you don't, you could not see another driver who is trying to pass you. Avoid driving in the blind spots of the car you are passing, as doing so can cause them to lose sight of you and accelerate or try to change lanes. Never stop in a car's blind spot to pass another one, or for any other reason. How to proceed safely. Passing with hesitation might be just as risky as passing carelessly. Your goal should be to complete the pass as quickly as you can while maintaining control. When passing, take these actions to carry out the maneuver with assurance and safety. 1. Indicate that you want to go into the left-hand lane. 2. Speed up as you get ready to merge left so you can go through as quickly as possible. 3. As soon as you can see the front tires of the automobile you have passed in your rearview mirror, move into the left lane and keep driving at a safe passing speed. 4. Indicate that you want to re-enter the right-hand lane. 5. Make a right turn and turn off your turn signal. 6. Continue driving at your current speed until there is a clear space between you and the car you passed. 7. Go back to a secure cruising speed. Let people go in front of you. Letting other drivers pass you. You must maintain or reduce your speed and give way to other drivers if they pass you or signal their intent to do so. Even if you think the other driver shouldn't be trying the maneuver in the first place, you should never accelerate as they pass you. The risk will only increase if you accelerate.